Hello traders, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be looking at the Undefeated Triangle expert advisor for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, and this one promises to crush it by trading the special relationship between AUDCAD and AUDNZD and also NZDCAD. So it's like this cross pairs, and the seller shows insane profits and says it exploits unique fluctuations in these pairs that always come back. It sounds undefeated, right? Let's see what the page actually says and what happened in my test, because I had the opportunity to test this expert advisor on MetaTrader 5, and in this video we are going to get into the full details, so ensure you watch until the end. It's totally worth it. Now, before we dive into today's expert advisor, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in. You can get it for free 100% by using the link in the description below, so ensure you check it out. It's also worth it. Now we're talking about the Undefeated Triangle for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. It was developed by Norris Zukas from Latvia. He's quite popular on the MQ5 community with 4-star rating out from 50 reviews. He also has 10 products, 2 signals, and it's quite popular with the comments. Now this expert advisor is going for $1,499 US, which is approximately $1,500. It has about 15 comments from traders and users who have bought it, and also it has comments, 32 comments actually, from people who have used it and people alike who are yet to buy. But let's get down into the strategy and the mechanism of this EA. From the MQ5 page, the EA is built around the idea that these trade currency pairs create imbalances. When one pair shoots off, the other tend to correct back to the triangle relationship. It uses a grid and martingale approach to add positions and recover. It also claims operating on tiny accounts. We have simple settings and strong backtests with high win rates around 72 to 77%. This is it. These are their backtest results. They also have profit factors of over 1.8, recovery factors like the 29, and massive equity growth on low deposits. Initial balance from $100, they raised it to over $4.5 million, which is quite impressive. And this is how it looks like when it's trading, when it's being loaded on your chart. This is on the EURUSD on the 1 minute time frame, but it's not for EURUSD, it's for AUDCAD and AUDNZD and NZDCAD. Yeah, and they highlight entries across Asia, Europe, US sessions, and they focus on the 15-minute time frame. Also, they show very strong long-term results with thousands of trades. The strategy isn't chasing trends or breakouts, it's betting on mean reversion within this specific currency group. And also, it uses smart grid logic and filters to manage the baskets. This is the live signal, which we can't find here. I guess I've taken it down. But this was a live signal, and since 2022, about 34 weeks, they generated about 3,000% in profits. And all of these are impressive. Now let's talk about the key features which they market. We have the one chart setup for all 3 pairs. Let's look at the inputs. I have the one chart setup for all 3 pairs. You can edit it, but these are the pairs that are needed, just those 3. And then we have the multiple lot sizing methods like the mid-risk 40%, annual or fixed lot. We also have the smart grid distance, and we have the RSI filters to control entries, and also there's the spread and slippage protection. We also have drawdown limits per symbol and options to limit symbols open at once. They say it's cheaper than alternatives, it's easy for many accounts, and it runs continuously and has advanced options for experienced users only. Also, there are no complicated parameters, just set it and let the triangle do the work. It doesn't really take much. These are the grid controls which you can all edit. Everything here is adjustable, but I use the defaults from the developer himself, and I use these defaults to run a backtest on AUDCAD on the 15-minute time frame with a $10,000 deposit. And I ran this backtest from June 2025 to June 2026 on the every tick based on real ticks modeling on a $10,000 account, and it came back with an equity curve that started nice and steady for a few months. It looked promising like the seller's images. Then around late 2025, boom, a huge spike in deposit load and sharp equity drop of thousands. And we also had the max drawdown hitting around 87% relative for the balance, and for the equity 89%. Now this ended the period down over $7,900 with profit factor 0.26, and the total trade staking was 306 with a win rate okay at 70%. But the losers were monsters and they wiped out the months of gains and steady profits that were brewing. I think that spike happened around October of 2025, but before then it was actually doing well, pushing to the upside. We had this nice little uptrend, but then everything changed. But the developer shows massive growth, 14% ish drawdown and high recovery, but the reality here was one bad sequence wrecked it, and the inputs that actually mattered are the smart grid distance at 350, the lot sizing method, the deposit load percent, the RSI period which is at 20, and the max 15, the one symbol limit in my test. We also have tighter grid or higher risk. All of this would have been uglier though if I used tighter grids or higher risks. But the thing is, these triangle correlations don't always hold perfectly in live markets. But even if it does, we have the grid and the recovery systems to change everything up and turn a good result to a sudden bad result. The reason for this spike is basically the grid and the recovery systems trying to recover a loss, but that's the way risky expert advisors work, so you should be careful when trading with them to also have lower lots. And if you don't have a high risk appetite, please do not trade with grids or hedging or averaging or the likes. But honestly, this is a solid concept for the right trader. It carries real martingale risks and it can work in normal ranging conditions, but watch for news driven trends that stretch the basket. It's great for experienced guys on prop firms or higher leverage ECN setups whose size small. Beginners or risk averse folks should steer clear, but these profits and drawdowns can differ a lot depending on market conditions and position size. And that's the end of our review on the Undefeated Triangle Expert Advisor for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. However, our backtest, this EA was actually defeated, so you should be careful when trading with this Expert Advisor, especially because of the recovery systems and the martingale on the grid feature that it carries. Like this video if it helped, because I'm sure that it did, and subscribe for more reviews like this one. Drop your next EA suggestions in the comments, and don't forget to grab the free Forex robot in the description. Thank you very much and trade safe.